This video is sponsored by Hotspot Shield, a VPN to protect your privacy, data and freedom to browse censored websites. Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids and welcome to my continued coverage of the late 2013 Apple Mac Pro. Now this is the Mac Pro here, sitting on my desk looking very nice indeed, and just to the right of it is an infrared digital thermometer, and I want to see how warm the Mac Pro gets and how it compares to things in its surroundings such as my desk and my hand, etc. Now just to let you know, I have had the Mac Pro running for quite a while now, and it's running Final Cut Pro 10 and exporting a video, and it's also playing back a series of HD videos as well. So really something to tax the system and get the heat going on the Mac Pro. It has been switched on for around about an hour, so I'd say it's at sort of its optimum sort of temperature at the moment, and hopefully during this video we might see the heat increase as the videos play back. So first of all, let me show you this. This is the infrared thermometer, and I can measure various things with this, such as my hand. So shall we measure my hand? So let's pull the trigger and we can see on the display here 28 degrees centigrade. So that's what it's measuring my sort of hand at temperature. And now let's just take my hand out of the way and we'll measure the wall in the distance, which is coming in at 19.7 degrees or 19.6. And now we're just going to move the red dot down into the center of the case of the Mac Pro. You can see just there, it's on the Mac Pro, and it's measuring 27.3 degrees. So not too much different, it's a little bit warm, and if I just turn this off for a while, I mean it's all well and good taking measurements, but when I touch the actual casing of this, it's just lukewarm. There's hardly any heat coming out of this at all. So I'm going to leave this running for a little while and actually just let it warm up a bit as it's processing these files, and then we'll take some further measurements. So we are back, and this has been running for around about an additional 10 to 15 minutes. We've still got some videos playing back and we're going to do some more measurements. So this time around I'm going to measure the external case again and also do a temperature measurement on the top area, which is where all the heat's dissipated. First of all, let's just take a measurement of my hand just so that we get a nice sort of figure to reference it to. Now we're coming in at 29 or 30.2, or yeah, let's call it sort of 29.8 degrees centigrade on my hand. And now let's just move my hand out of the way and we go down onto the Mac Pro. So the red dot is on the Mac Pro now, and we're coming in at 28.6. Let's move it a little tiny bit closer just in case that's not entirely accurate, and it's gone up a tiny bit. So 29.2 that's peaking at. And now we just want to take a measurement on the top area here. So before we measure the top area of the Mac Pro, let's just take a measurement off the wall. So we're getting a measurement of 20.6, 20.7 on the wall. And now let's just move down to the Mac Pro. You can see the red dot in the center area there on the Mac Pro, and we're getting a reading of 35 degrees, peaking at around about 35.1. So it's not very hot at all, even in this central area. So that concludes this video, and as you can see, even though the Mac Pro was actually processing a video and playing back all of those HD videos in the background, it didn't even break a sweat. It gives credit to Apple for introducing this with such a great thermal system inside. It keeps it really nice and cool. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button, please do subscribe as well, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see another video of mine, please do click the annotation on the top of your screen now, and also you can click the annotation on the bottom of your screen and subscribe to the Geekanoids channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next time.